Hi friends, in this video we will see about constructor and its use and its identification. So let's talk about constructor. First, let me write a simple program of Java. This is your first file and its name is file1.java, and let me create a one more program which name is file2.java. So I will declare a function in this class. After declaring this function, we will access this function. We will access this function in this that point. So what should we do? First we have to create object of this class. Then we will use. So first we need to write mycl2 ob1 is equal to new mycl open close bracket, and then we need to write ob1 dot print. When we will write whole code, then your print function will execute. So give attention here. This is a constructor. You can see here mycl, and this bracket is the identification of the constructor. If you want to identify the constructor, so first, how looks like the constructor? If you want to create a constructor, so we will write for first class name mycl in small bracket, and this is your constructor syntax. So now we will talk about what is constructor and its type. So there type of constructor. Basically there are two type of constructor. First is your parameterized, and second one is non parameterized. if we will write a class name first class, okay, first class, this is your class name, and you need to define a parameterized constructor and one non-parameterized constructor. So let's write first parameterized constructor. So we need to write this class name first, first class. After the writing that class name, gives small bracket and this block. So this is your, and we need to give some parameter. So here we will take int data. This is your type of parameterized constructor, and now we will write non-parameterized constructor. This is your this is your non this is your parameterized constructor, and this is your non-parameterized constructor. Let's solve a question using constructor. Okay, so by using constructor we will print sum of two number and three number. So first we will write your second class mycl2 here we will create two constructor. First is one parameterized constructor and second one is non-parameterized constructor. So we will write this name mycl and small bracket and this. In this block we will call a function which gives us to print number or print name. So we will write here print name. This is a function, and now we will declare or define one more constructor, parameterized constructor. And here we will take some value in the form of parameter. So here we will take int a and int b, and after that we will call print sum, print sum. So we have to declare these two functions, so we need to define. So we, if you want to declare, so declare here inside the class, but here is no place, so I declare on that place. On here we declare. So for declaring the print name we will write public static void print name. When this function will execute print our name, system.out.println here your name. Okay, and we need to declare one more function which is used to print sum of a sum. So I will write there your print function. Public static void print sum int a int b. System dot out dot print ln a plus b. And now we will write main code. So class main. First we need to write or create an object of this class. So we will write mycl2 ob is equal to new mycl2 when we will write this line. By the help of this line, your non-parametric constructor will call out, and then your print function will be called. So whole code this whole code this whole code will execute after writing this line. And when we will write mycl2 ob1 is equal to new mycl2, and here we need to put two values to call this constructor because it's take two parameters. So we need to give two parameters in the constructor of this class. So here we will put 5 and 10. When this code will be written, after that it jumps to, when this code will execute, it will jump to this constructor. After that we should declare two variables, int a is equal to int a and int b. And after that, when when this line will be written, so it comes to here, and we will assign the value of a and b. This dot a is equal to a, and this dot b is equal to b. So when we will write this line, your a is equal to 10 and b is equal will be assigned. So this code will execute, and it jumps to this, and here come 5 and 10. After that here assign value 5 plus 10 15 and 15, your output will be 15 as a result. I hope this is easy to understand, so thank you.